name is Claudio Zanframundo, president of ThermoKing EMEA for truck, trailer and bus, and for marine, rail and air business at global level at ThermoKing. Here at ThermoKing we are pioneers into designing, manufacturing, producing, distributing and servicing products connected with the cold chain, for the cold chain transport, but also cold storage solutions, but also bus and rail for the passenger transport. And this is all around you, the zone. This is our vision. It displays our vision for a sustainable future. The cold chain got the possibility today to have a strong impact in the CO2 emissions. Electrification, energy recovery systems, digitalizations, all innovations around electrification are helping to reduce GWP already today. And ThermoKing is boldly challenging what's possible for a more sustainable cold chain and therefore more sustainable world. And in the past decade, we have made a significant steps into that sense, innovating, bringing new electric units, bringing lower GWP units, bringing better, efficient units. At ThermoKing, our strong commitment is to invest, to innovation, to have a stronger than ever cold chain with low GWP and low CO2 emissions. And 3 years ago, we committed to invest over $100 million into the cold chain for bringing full electric solutions into every single product on the cold chain. And after 3 years, we have accomplished that. So basically today, we are able to transport goods from A to Z at zero CO2 emissions, whatever is the transport need. You can transport from A to Z using air products, using truck, using intermodal, using marine units. And you're able to do that with CO2 emissions equals to zero. But let me also share that while we are pioneering the electrification, we are also continuing to strengthen our leadership in the traditional internal combustion engines. And we don't forget that a big portion of the current production and demand is linked to the ICE engines. And we are innovating also into that, delivering low emissions and low fuel consumption products into that segment. Just for giving you an example, the Advanced that we launched a couple of years ago, that is one of the best-in-class products in that segment. But let me go back to the IAA and what's coming new to the IAA. Once again, IAA is always a fantastic platform. It's a fantastic venue where to premiere new units, new products, and exciting innovations, in that case linked to the cold chain. And this year we are bringing a leap forward into the electric refrigeration for vans, large and small trucks up to 26 tons. Our new E-Series is here as a world premiere at IAA and is specifically designed for the needs of customers that are transitioning to the BEV vehicles, but we're also looking at customers that are still in need of traditional ICE vehicles. So here the key words are three: energy efficiency, versatility, and customer payback. These are truly game changers in the marketplace, and Didier Bauger, Vice President of Engineering and Technical Innovation, is going to talk more about that in a few moments. So we look constantly about the future, and we never stop innovating. And when I talk about that, I refer, for example, to one of the collaborations we opened and we signed an offer recently with Trane Technologies, a few meters from here. This is one of the other signs of how ThermoKing is always looking at the future. We look at the future, we look at what is the innovation in terms of electrification that can be coming even long haulage, but we also keep our feet well into the ground and into the present with innovative solutions, disruptive solutions, let me say, that are already available in the marketplace. And when I say that, I refer specifically to the axle power. You have already heard about that because we launched it earlier this year. The axle power represents truly the next generation of the transport refrigeration. This is a disruption into the transport refrigeration. Imagine a hybrid vehicle that is never need to have any charge. No charge needed, no fuel needed. This is exactly what the axle power is all about. It recovers the kinetic energy from the road. So you can imagine 40 tons of vehicles that while braking, instead of dissipating the energy through thermal energy, they are transforming this energy into electric energy, store it into a battery pack, and the battery pack is powering then the unit. Very simple and able to have a completely sustainable product. We have sold already several of those configurations. We have tested it extensively all across the north of Europe, down to south of Africa, in very, very extreme climate conditions. We have generated more than 50 megawatt of energy out of this energy recovery system, only with the testing units. Just for giving you a way to measure 10 megawatt is the average output of an hydroelectric, a mid-sized hydroelectric plant. So this is really a solution that is extremely powerful. And when transferred also in terms of CO2 emissions, one of those units each year can help to reduce up to 12 tons of CO2 emissions into a long haulage transport, roughly 3,000 hours per year. So that's really disruptive and that's really powerful. And together with the other product ranges that we have here, it's helping to reduce emissions, to have a better operational efficiency, a better TCO for our customers, and have a better cost effectiveness. So let me close here saying that electrification and hybridization is not the future, it's the present that we have already available today with the product lineup in ThermoKing. But now let me hand over to Didier, that will talk more about what's new here at IAA.
Of the new units that we are presenting and to explain how they are fit to transform the industry. So we'll start with the E-Series range. So on the E-Series range, you may have heard about it when we first introduced the E400, 500 and 600E units. So all of our E-Series range units are full electric, delivering zero direct emissions, and also operating at low noise levels. So those are the key features for operating in cities. They have been designed really to minimize the power consumption, so minimizing the impact on the range of the vehicle and minimizing the operational cost. All of the E-Series range are coming also with advanced connectivity, with real-time monitoring, enabling the fleet coordinator to always work on optimizing the fleet management. So with the E-Series range, you get powerful, fully electric unit with a multi-temp and single temp, and also accurate temperature control. So let's start our journey with the last mile delivery. We know that our customers are dealing with strict noise and emission regulation, dense traffic, high volume of deliveries, and also ever tightening delivery windows. So to meet these challenges and to stay in the competition, they really need cutting-edge technology. So the E-Series is the best solution to meet those challenges, and they are compatible with electric vehicles, but also with engine-powered vehicles. So today we are launching two new models, the E100E and the E200E. With those units, our customer can rest assured that all the needs for their van and light commercial vehicles are met. They have been designed also to get the best cooling and heating capacity, thanks to the reverse cycle heat pump technology that we implemented to those units. We've designed this unit also to be compact, lightweight and robust with full aluminum frame. And this construction brings lightweight, as I said, but also allow to minimize the maintenance cost, and then to get an easy assembly across different types of vehicles. They have been developed also with smart control based on ambient temperature and box temperature, so that we always operate also at the best efficiency. This unit also have a rollover ability, so that we can maintain an accurate temperature even when the vehicle is not operating. In summary, with the E100 and E200, you get a new, modern, efficient unit with minimum size and really massive performance. So now let's move to our next innovation. So the next innovation is remarking a significant step in the electrification of the vehicle from 7.5 to 26 tons. So today, I'm extremely proud to release the E-Series range for large truck application. All right. I guess I hope you appreciate the design like I do. I mean, I really think that this unit looks great. So we've spent a lot of time with the designer to design it. So yeah. So with this unit, we have a full new offering of electrical unit, high capacity, single temp and multi-temperature, so that really focus on the efficiencies, sustainability, and operational efficiencies. We've designed it to be the most compact unit on the market, so really providing a unique value proposition to our customer. When we developed it with the engineers, we also focused on making sure that we were doing the best use of the energy that was available. So that's why the unit provides direct high voltage DC connection, so that we can redirect access the battery of the truck, of the vehicles. We've also customized and develop in-house the inverter design for the compressor speed control, so that we could really adapt and have the right product customized for our needs. And we've also designed the control with full variable speed, so that we can always operate at the best efficiency at any operating point of the unit. So with this unit, you really get superior performance with accurate temperature control and minimum impact on the vehicle range, on the vehicle consumption, because you can still use it also on an engine power vehicles. As an E-Series, the unit is coming also with telematics as a standard, so that we can provide real-time connectivity and provide all data to the fleet operators. So now let's move to even larger vehicles. And we know that our customer needs to future-proof their fleet and stay ahead of the regulation and the restriction, with no compromise on cooling capacity, on flexibility, and on the overall operational efficiency. So today we are presenting our new engine-less, multi-temperature and full electric Advancer E Spectrum, and it delivers all of the challenges that our customers are needing today. So with this unit, you get accurate temperature control with zero direct emission and low operating noise, being peak compliant, so making it ideal to operate for light night delivery or urban deliveries, and specifically when you transport different type of goods on the same journey. The unit is also compatible with different power sources, So the axle power with energy recovery system, like Claudio was mentioning, but also our new battery offering, the energy pack and the e-cool pack, all to ensure that we remain flexible and adaptable to the needs of our customers. We are also very proud to announce that our A500E, powered by the axle power, has won the International Trailer Award 2025 in the environment category.